Welcome to How to Use the Inclusive Gateway Shape. This shape belongs to the family of gateways, and there's actually many variations of gateways. Similar to its peers, it creates a fork in the process where the path could split into two or more directions. Today we're going to look at the inclusive gateway in specific. The way that we use this shape is that we would follow all of the paths where the conditions are true. So this means that we could be following one or more paths. To demonstrate how to use this shape in an example, we're going to take a look at where a clerk wants to issue a check. In specific, depending on the value of the check, they may require authorization from either a manager or supervisor. Let's see what this process looks like. We can see at a high level our issue a check has 3 swim lanes. Our 3 swim lanes are the supervisor, clerk, and the manager. The first task in our process is the clerk wanting to get that check authorization so that they can issue the check. The next shape is our inclusive gateway, which is the purple diamond with the circle in it. Similar to the parallel gateway, we're going to use the inclusive gateway shape at the beginning and at the end of where our conditions are being reviewed. This helps the reviewer determine the evaluation start and end. We can see that the 2 conditions extending from our inclusive gateway are where the check is greater than a $100 value and where the check is greater than a $500 value. We recall that our swim lanes have the supervisors at the top, meaning that where the check value is greater than $100, they will provide approval. And where the check value is greater than $500, our manager will provide that approval. For example, if our check was valued at $150, we would follow the inclusive gateway path only to request the supervisor's approval. However, in the event that our check value is greater than $500, let's say $550, we would follow both the paths for the supervisor, since again the value is greater than $100, but now also the manager approval since the check value is greater than $500. In a nutshell, that's how to use an inclusive gateway. We would follow all of the paths where the conditions are true. And we're done. That concludes this session. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much.